Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but we've got some exciting projects coming up. What I've got here is a 1979 Lincoln Continental Mark V. What I believe to be 49,000 original miles on it. I drove this car around a little bit back in high school. It now lives in my garage, and I'm really excited to have it here. It's been my best guess 7 or 8 years since the last time this car was driven. It's a 1979, so it has its issues and its little things that could be worked on, but it was absolutely drivable at that time. So what I've already done is a completely fresh oil change, 5 quarts 10W30 in there, got a fresh oil filter. When I first got it back into the garage here, I read the fuel gauge, and there was just under a quarter tank of fuel in here. So I estimated that to be 3 or 4 gallons of fuel. So what I did is I went and got another 4 gallons of fresh premium fuel, and I knew that there was already premium fuel in here, which is good. And then I also dumped in half a can of Seafoam, let that sit for a little while, and put a new battery, new AGM battery in here. The battery was completely shot after that time. And then we cranked on it a little bit, and here's what happened.
Here's try number 1.
Here's the buzzer. I'm gonna pump it. Alright, I'm gonna pump 4 times.
Give it any fuel? Maybe I'll put your oil cap back on.
Me too?
I guess. So we have a lot of projects coming up for this car. It's going to be a lot of little things. I will be doing a video with a quick tour around the car at some point. It's got beautiful leather seats. The body is in excellent shape for the year. It's got its dings and dents and scratches, but for the most part, the exterior of the car is rust-free. So I'm planning to keep it that way. Going to keep it inside. These headlight assemblies here comes with these flaps that are supposed to go down over it. I'm guessing a vacuum leak somewhere, because as soon as you shut the car off, those flaps want to come right back up. New spark plugs at some point. The car does not have much for gauges. That's just how it came. It's got a speedometer in it, and that's about it. It's got the warning lights, but it's got no RPMs, no oil temp, water temp, any of that good stuff. So I'd like to look into getting some aftermarket gauges installed, which will
definitely be interesting because I've never done that before. I'm really excited for it to warm up a little bit so I can get this thing out of the garage, get a little bit of soap and water on it, a little bit of TLC. It just really needs a good bath right now. So stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see. Do you have something like this? I'd love to hear about it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you next time.